accidents. Suppose maybe we are very careful, the accidents will happen. So if fire accidents happens, what will you do? The fire accidents, to put out the fire, the steps are not same for all kinds of fire accidents. There are number of kinds of fire accidents are there. They easily catch fire like paper, wood, cloth. If they catch fire, what will you do? You will pour water on the things which catch fire, isn't it? So sometimes you can pour water, sometimes only, isn't it? Why I am saying this? The next point will give the explanation why I am saying sometimes only we can pour water on the fire, on the things which caught fire like paper, cloth, wood. But the fire caused by oils, sometimes cooking oil become very hot and catch fire. Otherwise, if we keep the petrol, kerosene like this nearby the fire, so through that the containers catch fire. So generally oil caught fire, we can't use water. Why? Do you know? Yes, you can see during the rainy days on the roads, the color film, like a oil spread over the water on the roads. Those oils are engine oil or petrol from the vehicles. So they are floating on the water, isn't it? So when due to the oil, the fire accident happens. If we pour the water, the oil will float on the water. So the height of the fire will increases. It will increase the damages also if we use water. So during that time, don't use what? Water. We have to use sand. We have to use sand or wet, thick blanket and sacks. Sacks means not the plastic sacks, the jute sacks we can use, and we can put on the the things which catch fire due to the oil fire. And the next one, it is dangerous to pour water in one more situation, that is due to the short circuit of the wiring. If fire accident happen, during that situation also it is dangerous to pour water, because water is a good conductor of electricity. It will conduct electricity easily. So if we pour water to put out the fire due to the short circuit, our walls and grounds will become wet. So through that the current may flow, the electric current may flow, and the persons, those who are touching the walls, otherwise standing on the wet floor, may get electric shock. So during the electric short circuit fire accident, don't pour water. And that time also you have to use what? Sand, otherwise fire extinguishers like this. See, fire extinguisher. This kind of cans you can see in malls, cinema theater, and the buildings, offices, even in the schools. The fire extinguishers may be kept. Instead of sand, we will use this fire extinguisher. Inside the cans, some chemicals are kept. So if we open that, see here, by using the cans, they are put out the fire in the car. So this chemical will form a white foam and what? Disconnect the connection of air with the fire. I already told oxygen help the fire to burn very strongly, isn't it? So here we are disconnecting the connection between the air and the fire, and we can't use water, so we are using this fire extinguisher.